Hello guys, my name is Milap and you're watching this Milap video channel. Today you're gonna see this kind of tutorial.
They formed a pirate alliance so powerful, it'll make even the bravest buccaneers shiver in their timbers.
Okay, so before starting this video, I want to let you know is that I have used anime characters, but you can use whatever PNGs or whatever materials you want to use in your videos. Just follow the same trick which I'm showing you in this video and you're all set with good edits. Okay, so as you can see is I already created this composition in After Effects. So now what you're gonna do is double click here and you just have to import a few things. So I'm gonna give you the two different ways. One is very easy and second one is little bit complex, but it's a worthwhile. So let's first I will show you the first method and then we can jump into the second method. The first one is you're gonna select the plain background which I have created. The first one is here and okay, so say for example I imported these three things. Now I'm gonna just drag and drop for this background and obviously these two PNGs also, but okay, so yeah, now select all three. You can see this cube here, cube box. You just press that and your normal image is converted into a 3D layer. Let's just go from one view to two views and you can see here already I selected the top view just firstly. So I'm just gonna select the background, make a little bit backside. Say for example you're gonna scale it little bit by pressing S. You're gonna scaling the background until unless we can fit the screen. Okay, now gonna select this crocodile PNG also. See, I have told you the first time also, I'm telling you for the second time also. You can use whatever material, whatever PNGs, whatever JPG you want to use. Just follow these tricks because my tutorial is not only based on one particular thing. You can create many multiple things, but you have to just think differently. There is only the small twist in my videos. So also I'm pressing S again and little bit scaling crocodile just like this. Okay, making a little bit more back. So I think that is it's little bit more small. So I'm just scaling a little bit. Okay, putting it here. Yeah. Now selecting Mihawk, putting a little bit backside, pressing S, scaling him, something like this. So it will look like standing a little bit more front on this thing. Okay. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is go to the layer, go to the new, and you can see the fourth option, camera. Select the camera, press OK. Okay, like you generally can see this. You can change the camera name and also if I write, then it's gonna name Milap, but I think it's not necessary. The main focus is on tutorial, so let's just focus on tutorial only. So now what you're gonna do is just open this camera value, open this word position of interest and position also, making a little bit here on the fifth frame, making it something like this. Okay, let's just say from this last part you're gonna just make it something like this, zoom only. We're just going with the crocodile one. Okay, so if I play it's something look like this. So this is a very basic way. Okay, and like if you use your mind, Hushed and Cold also do this kind of styles only, but the thing is, let it be surprise. I'm gonna soon dropping out this Hushed and Cold style tutorials also, so let it be surprise. But Hushed and Cold also use this same thing only. You see that Hushed and Cold, that he's written on the PNG and just going out of the frame. How these things are going on? These things are doing with these things only. So if you see that now you can see it's going like this. But as I say, I want to change little bit in this. So when it go like this in the end frame, okay, delete it. Say for example it's going zoom. Okay, now focusing on the crocodile. I will change the view because I want to slide up the camera. So from top view to I will just select maybe right or left, whatever I want to. So select this, make a little bit of like this. Okay, see, you can do easy by pressing F9. I am not doing it because if I will press F9 then my screen record is gonna be closing down. So you can make it smooth by pressing F9. See, F9 is a very basic, very basic smoothing animation you can do in your keyframes. So F9 is a very basic part. I am also soon going to drop down the very best tutorials on the graph styles also, like how you can animate the graph and do pacing, do smoothing in it. So, but you know, you have to wait for it. So you can see that we have created this very cool thing, and as I just reduce the time, then it's gonna move far. Then it's gonna move fast. You can see, then it's gonna move fast. Okay, so here our first things ended. Now the second method is little bit hard, not that much, but little bit. Why I'm saying is because you can get this in the video only. So I'm just deleting out all this stuff because I just wanted to show you. Now instead of using the still PNG, we're gonna use animated PNGs. Okay, how? So see, I created the crocodile green screen also, and wait, I created this Yakomura green screen also. So I'm just gonna import it these two green screen. Wait, where is the background? Okay, so here's the background. Creating same 3D. Okay, now I think I should make it on the top view. Make it this or something like this backward. Pressing S. Reducing on the scale. Okay, you might be thinking that how I animated the characters, so I will show you. Okay, so I have drag and drop this. Now you can see, bro, this is a very green, you created this as a green screen. I want to remove green screen, then go to the effect panel, go to the effect and preset, type key light, and you can find it key light 1.2 here. Just drag and drop on the green screen, select this, and just tada, green screen is removed. Okay, so now I also going to create this as a 3D layer, putting it here, like going way more back, now flipping this, but rotating, pressing scale, increasing it, yeah, something like this. Okay, now I'm also going to use this Gecko Moya also. So same thing, keylet drag and drop, just remove it. Okay, so okay, reducing the scale size of him because he is tending way far. Okay, making Gecko Moya as a 3D layer, putting it down, increasing the size. Okay, now if you see that this is playing on. Okay, now I'm gonna do the layer, new camera. Okay, opening the camera property, go to the transform, select both of them, go to the end, go to till, okay, say for example we are going to here only, and now we are animating this stuff. So let's just focus on crocodile. Now changing the view from top to left, right, whatever you want. You just have to make a little bit of something like this and make it the camera a little bit back. And if I play, okay, so now see that how this thing is going on, and it's look really very cool. So see, instead of using still PNGs, if you use this animated PNGs, that will bring more good impact in your edit styles. Okay, so this is my ideas and tips for you to use animated PNGs, and you might be thinking that how I use this animated PNGs. So for these things, if you didn't watch my last video, you can go and check out the last video in which I have shown that how I created still PNGs into animated PNGs. Okay, so make sure to check my last video for this. And yeah, okay, so basically you might be thinking that, bro, like you didn't give us the good deep down tutorial like you usually do, but today this video is just for to boost your editing styles only. If you are creating this kind of things, so you can boost up your editing style with using this 3D camera thing. And bro, trust me, like anyone can do this thing. It's very easy, 2 minutes time taking process. Anyone can create this thing. And the best part of this thing is, like, any low end specification device also can create these things. Like, I think if you have 8 GB RAM, if you have graphic card, not matters if you are 3060 or 3090, but if you are below, like if you are below series also, don't care about that, bro. You can create this thing. It's very easy, really very 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 easy thing. So guys, see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, peace.